So you're here to find out how to make money online, right? Well, let me tell you the very best ways to get rich quick. Wait, doesn't this sound familiar? Haven't we heard this a million times already? There are so many videos out there that start this way and just lead you to pretty much nothing. You've undoubtedly been told to sign up for some work-from-home job that requires upfront fees. What the? Are you serious? Or perhaps to sell your old clothes on eBay. Trust me, bro. It's almost like everyone is reading from the same script. Become a virtual assistant, they say. Or try dropshipping, they say. And let's not forget the classic. Just write an ebook and you will be rich in no time. It's enough to make you yawn, isn't it? But don't worry. We're not going to rehash those methods you've heard 1,000 times before. Nope, in this video we are gonna flip the script a bit. Now let's get real. You're not here for the same old. You want something new, groundbreaking, or at least proven to work, right? Well, you're in the right place then. And while you may have heard of the methods we will be covering in this video, you can realistically make way more money with these three than you can with any of those old regurgitated methods. Our first proven method is affiliate marketing. Now, if you've never heard of it, you might be wondering, what exactly is this? Well, affiliate marketing is a strategy where you promote products or services offered by other companies. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to create your own product or service, nor deal with the hassles of shipping or customer service. Your role is purely promotional and the company takes care of the rest. So how does one get started? The first step is to find a product or service you genuinely like and believe in. Something that's already proven to be successful. This could be anything from a best-selling book on Amazon to a popular software service. Once you've found a product to promote, you'll need to sign up for the company's affiliate program. Once approved, you'll be provided with a unique affiliate link that tracks any sales made through it. Now, where can you promote these links? If you have a website, you can write reviews or informative articles about the product, embedding your affiliate link within. If you have a large social media following, you can share your experiences with the product and include your affiliate link. The key is to provide value to your audience, not just sell to them. Potential earnings can vary widely. Typically, you can earn up to 10% commission on the product price. For instance, if you promote a book that sells for $20 and a follower buys it using your link, you earn $2. It might not seem much, but imagine if hundreds or even thousands of your followers buy that book. The earnings add up quick. As for payment, most companies pay their affiliates through check, bank transfer, or PayPal. The frequency of payment can range from monthly to quarterly depending on the company's policy. So, with patience, dedication, and strategic planning, you could turn this method into a profitable online venture. Now, onto our second and relatively new method, online tutoring. Online tutoring is just like traditional tutoring, but it takes place over the internet. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and expertise with students from around the world, all while making money from the comfort of your own home. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward, actually. As an online tutor, you'll be helping students in your area of expertise. Whether that's math, science, English, or even a musical instrument. You'll conduct lessons via video calls using tools like Skype or Zoom. You can prepare study materials, provide assignments, evaluate progress, and give constructive feedback to your students. But here's the best part. Anyone with knowledge in a certain subject can become an online tutor. You don't necessarily need a teaching degree, although having one can certainly boost your credibility. What's more important is your passion for the subject and the ability to convey your knowledge in a clear and engaging way. To get started, you just need to sign up on an online tutoring platform of your choice. Create a profile showcasing your skills and qualifications and wait for students to reach out. Some platforms may require a simple test or interview to verify your knowledge. So if you're an expert in a subject and love to teach, this could be a great way for you to earn money online. So how much can you earn as an online tutor? Well, that depends on a few factors like your subject, your experience, and the platform you're using. But generally, you can expect to earn around $10 to $40 an hour. That's right, up to $40 an hour for sharing what you know. And how do you get paid? Most online tutoring platforms will pay you directly into your bank account, while others might use PayPal. Some platforms even let you set your own rates so you have control over your earning potential. Remember, you're not just making money, you're also making a difference in someone's learning journey. And that's a win in our book. And now finally, our groundbreaking way to make money online. Social media management. Now, this might sound technical, but it's something that anyone who's good at social media can do. So what is social media management? It's simply managing a company's social media platforms, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. This involves creating engaging content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and generally maintaining a positive and active online presence. But why do businesses need social media management? Well, in this digital age, having an active social media presence is crucial for businesses. It helps them to connect with their audience, increase their brand visibility, and ultimately drive more sales. However, not all businesses have the time or expertise to handle their social media platforms effectively. That's where social media managers come in. They take over this task, freeing up businesses to focus on what they do best. Now, you might be thinking, I'm good at social media, but how do I turn this into a money-making opportunity? Great question. Start by offering your services to small businesses in your local area or online. You could create a basic website or use freelancing platforms to showcase your skills and attract clients. But how much can you earn from social media management? Generally, social media managers can make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. That's right, up to $10,000 per month. And how do you get paid? Usually clients will pay through checks, bank transfers, or PayPal. So it's easy and convenient. So if you are social media savvy, this could be your golden ticket to making money online. With the right skills and a bit of effort, you could turn your social media prowess into a profitable online business. And now you have these 3 proven strategies that can help you earn money online. Each method has its potential earnings, but remember, your earnings depend on your effort and dedication. Choose the method that aligns with your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember that the key to making money online is finding what you're good at and leveraging it. So go out there and make your mark on the online world. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for future, groundbreaking online money-making strategies. Until then, happy hustling.